Hey everyone, welcome back for another deep dive. Today we're going to be tackling a question that I know a lot of you have probably wondered about at some point.
Okay.
Could the Hubble telescope take a detailed picture of Earth? I
Interesting.
mean, we see all these incredible images of far-off galaxies,
Right.
nebulae, and all sorts of mind-blowing stuff. So you'd think that snapping a pic of our own little planet would be a piece of cake.
Yeah, you'd think.
For this deep dive, we're going to be using a fascinating breakdown of a video that goes deep into Hubble's capabilities and, more importantly, its limitations.
Oh, cool.
So,
Yeah.
let's jump right in. Now,
Oh,
bet most of us, myself included, would probably assume that the main problem would be Earth's brightness.
you would think that, yeah.
Like, it's just too bright for Hubble to handle, right?
It's a common misconception. It's not actually the brightness that's the biggest issue.
Wow.
It's more about how Hubble operates and what it was designed to do.
So what is it then?
Hubble, think of it like a marathon runner.
Okay.
It's built for long distances, not quick sprints.
I see.
It's designed to stare at objects that are incredibly far away for extended periods of time to gather enough light
Right.
to create those stunning images we see.
Those amazing, like, deep field images.
Yeah, exactly.
Earth, on the other hand,
Yeah,
is relatively close, and it's constantly moving.
exactly.
So it's not really Hubble's forte.
And it's not just the movement. Hubble wasn't built to quickly shift its focus like that.
I see.
It's more about slow and steady observation for those distant wonders.
Ooh, okay, here's something that blew my mind when I was reading through the material for this.
What's that?
Hubble can actually see Earth.
Yeah,
It even points towards us for calibration purposes.
it does. It does.
I mean, that just seems wild to me,
That's pretty cool, huh?
that we have this incredibly powerful telescope out there
Yeah.
that can look back at us.
That's
I mean, what do you think those calibration images would look like?
Well, that's where the concept of resolution comes in.
Okay.
Think of it like a puzzle. The more pieces you have, the clearer and more detailed the picture is. Hubble has incredible resolution for those really distant objects, billions of miles away, capturing those tiny, tiny pieces of the puzzle.
Oh, I see.
But with Earth being so much closer, Hubble would only be able to see the big pieces, not the fine details we'd need for a truly high-res image.
So even though it can technically see us, it wouldn't be the kind of picture that, like, you could zoom in
Not at all.
and see individual houses or anything like that.
Right. It'd be more like a blurry blob,
Got it.
just enough to make out the basic shapes of continents.
Okay, that makes sense.
Resolution is key here.
I guess it's kind of like trying to take a picture of, I don't know, a dime from a mile away.
That's a good analogy.
You might be able to see something there, a little speck, but you'd never be able to make out the details on it. So
Exactly.
even with something as powerful as Hubble, the right tool for the job is still crucial.
Absolutely.
And in this case, it's not really designed for close-ups,
It's all about perspective
right?
and using the right tool for the observation you're trying to make.
So it's not just about what Hubble can see,
Yeah.
but what it's designed to see.
Exactly.
And its strengths lie in those incredible long-distance observations.
Unveiling the mysteries of the distant universe,
Exactly.
those faraway galaxies, nebulae,
Yeah.
star clusters.
Bringing those wonders into focus for us.
Right.
But that makes me wonder, what if we could use Hubble, or something like it, to take those super high-resolution pictures of Earth?
Now that's an interesting question.
I mean, what kind of new perspectives might we gain?
Imagine being able to track weather patterns
Wow.
in real time with that level of detail,
Yeah.
or monitor environmental changes with incredible precision.
Seeing the effects of, like, climate
Yeah.
change
Exactly.
up close? I mean, who knows? We might even spot undiscovered geographical features.
That's right. There could be hidden wonders right here
Wow.
on our own planet that we haven't even seen yet.
That is incredible to think about. So while we may not have those
Yeah.
super detailed Hubble selfies of Earth right now, this deep dive really highlights that there's still so much out there to discover,
Absolutely.
both in the vastness of space and right here at home.
The universe is full of surprises.
It really is. And that wraps up our deep dive for today. Thanks for joining us, and keep looking up.
Always keep exploring.